All right, guys, real quick before this video, put your favorite dog breed in the comments down below. Fun fact, mine is a German Shorthair Pointer. So what'd you put? Poodle, Bulldog, Border Collie? Or maybe you fancy something a little different, potentially a Shiba Inu. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Frankie Candles, and today we're unleashing a special treat, a deep dive into the world of Shiba Inu. A crypto pup that's been wagging tails in the digital finance park. So grab your leashes, we're about to take a walk on the wild side of cryptocurrency. Let's get into it. Now, before we get lost in the park, I just want to stress that I am in no way affiliated with or paid by this project. These project breakdowns are based on my own research and should never be taken as financial or investment advice. Please, for the love of God, always do your own research. Now, let's start with a bit of mystery. Unlike most projects where you can put a face to the name, SHIB's founder is as elusive as a sly fox. Or should I say a cunning Shiba Inu, known only as Ryoshi. This enigmatic figure released SHIB into the crypto wild in August of 2020, and it's like the secret family recipe everyone loves, but no one knows. And Ryoshi's vision? To create a decentralized meme token that's more than just a joke, a true community-driven project. Often touted as the Dogecoin killer, it began as just a playful meme, but SHIB quickly fetched a loyal following. With a community so energetic, it's like an endless dog park with thousands of happy pups. How many dog puns do you think I can fit into this video? Because I'm not gonna hold it back. Now let's sniff around the SHIB phenomenon. This pup is more than just a cute face, it's an ERC20 token, meaning it's part of the Ethereum family. But here's where it gets spicy. SHIB isn't just a token, it's part of a much bigger ecosystem. What truly sets this pup apart is its passionate and vibrant community. It's like a bustling neighborhood where everyone knows each other's names, or rather their dogs' names. The Shiba Inu community, known as the SHIB Army, is a force to be reckoned with. They're not just investors, they're believers, enthusiasts, and promoters of the SHIB vision. This level of community engagement is like the secret sauce in Nona's recipe. It's what gives SHIB its unique flavor in the crypto space. So what does SHIB have to offer? Well, first, let's talk about Shibarium. Shibarium. If you think I butchered that, please feel free to roast me in the comments. Shibarium is a layer 2 blockchain network for Shiba Inu, and in case you didn't know what a layer 2 is, definitely check out this video in the card above, where we break down all the layers of the blockchain in a super easy to understand way. Shibarium rolled out in August of 2023. The goal was to transform SHIB from a meme coin into a complete ecosystem, and it looks like they're succeeding. Shibarium increases transaction speeds, lowers transaction fees, and increases utility for tokens, and on top of that, it facilitates seamless dApp development. It uses a proof-of-stake model aiming to help Shiba Inu scale effectively while remaining connected to the Ethereum blockchain. In less than 5 months after the launch, Shibarium managed over 256 million transactions and created around 2.4 million blocks, carried out over about 1.3 million wallet addresses. Now, although Shiba Inus are not typically known for their speed, this one is sure an exception. So what tokens are in the ecosystem? First, there's the token itself, SHIB, which is essentially just the main token of the ecosystem. But in addition to SHIB, there's also Leash, which is very cunningly named and was initially envisioned as a rebase token, but now unleashed as a full-fledged ERC20 with a limited supply of just 107,646 tokens for staking rewards. It's like an exclusive dog treat, rare and sought after. Kind of like a beg and a strip. And I'm not gonna lie, guys, this community makes these dog puns super easy. So let's not forget about the next token, which is Bone, which is the governance token. Bone allows the SHIB Army to have its voice heard by voting on proposals via the Doggy DAO. And I'm not making these up. These are actually what these are called. Holding Bone is like having a say in which direction the dog park expands. Now, all these tokens are part of SHIBA Swap, a decentralized exchange where the SHIB community gathers, trades, and buries their bones, their tokens, for future rewards. It's decentralized finance with a furry twist, the central hub of this dog park. Now there's also Treat, an upcoming token that is not yet available according to SHIBA's website. The token will serve multiple purposes, one of which is to provide liquidity. It will also replace the Bone token as the reward token for SHIBA Swap and provide rewards for the metaverse and the blockchain version of the SHIBA collectible card game. Yes, a card game, more on that shortly. The growth of SHIB has been nothing short of a moonshot, a rocket with a dog at the helm. From obscurity to top 20 cryptocurrency by market cap, SHIB has shown that even a meme coin can have a bite in this financial market. Now, it really seems that the SHIB team is trying to propel themselves to the top with this project, which I love to see. But if you think this is all they got going, you are sadly mistaken. In addition to everything we just discussed so far, there's also a gaming play, NFTs, and even a metaverse. According to their website, Shiba Inu Games is an affiliated company started by their project lead, Shitoshi Kusama. think I nailed that one. The goal is to facilitate the development of games related to the Shiba Inu ecosystem. It's like a tongue twister. They have the gaming division separate to easily enable them to work with third-party providers. Shytoshi also revealed that they're collaborating with Playside Studios to start working on their first game called SHIBA Eternity, which is the competitive card game that I mentioned before. Now, if that's got you drooling like a bull mastiff, believe it or not, it gets even better than that. They brought gaming veteran William Volk on board, who's been designing and developing game titles since 1979. He served as the vice president of technology for a little company that you guys may be familiar with. It's called Activision Studios. Now, I know you gaming nerds are barking with joy, and I do lump myself in as a fellow video game nerd. Still not impressed? Enter the Shiboshis. This is an exclusive collection of 10,000 NFTs that dropped back in October. Each Shiboshi is a randomly generated pixel art avatar of a Shiba. Within 34 minutes of launch, they were completely sold out, absolutely dominating the Ethereum blockchain, and if you were a leash holder at the time, you were amongst the first in line to purchase during the minting phase. Finally, we move on to the metaverse. SHIB's aim in creating a metaverse is to build a world where the SHIB army can come together to explore, shop, create, socialize, and much more. SHIB's utility in the metaverse will be to add pictures and logos to land plots, and this mechanism will also burn SHIB each time. That beautiful burn mechanism that all Shiba holders are looking for. You can also use it to rename your land plot, which also burns tokens. And on top of that, you'll be able to lease hubs, which are the highest value pieces of land in SHIB, the metaverse. Now, this is some serious hype. I know what you're thinking. I know all the tech makes you want to wag your tails in excitement, but it's really important to understand and remember that meme coins, as fun as they are, can be just as unpredictable as playing a game of fetch in a lightning storm. It's kind of dark. Anyway, market volatility is a big factor here, and SHIB's price can soar sky high or plummet without warning. It's a roller coaster ride, not a leisurely stroll in the park. Additionally, please remember that you should always do your own research, and I'm not a financial advisor. My only goal here is to highlight what the project has going on under the hood, and in crypto, you can never be too safe. So you never know what'll happen with any project. In the end, SHIB teaches us an important lesson in the world of crypto. Sometimes the underdogs can have their day, or even their year. It's a story of community, humor, and a little bit of mystery, all wrapped up in a cute little digital puppy package. So guys, with all that being said, I hope you liked this video. Let me know your thoughts down below. Do you think Shiba Inu will just remain a basic meme coin, or do you think all the amazing tech that they're working on behind the scenes will turn it into a feature-rich top project with awesome utility? With all that being said, guys, that's all the time I got for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Frankie Candles out.
Here we go. At the top of the class on a